Okay, sorry for the interruption, guys. So what I was saying to you guys was that I'm not saying that forget about learning books from math, and just learn math from me. No, no, no. What I'm trying to say, guys, is if you're reading something about any topic in your math books, and for some reason, you forgot how the teacher taught you that concept in class, and then you're looking in the book and you're not able to understand why you went from this step to that step or whatever. So I'm making the videos in such a way that if you forget anything in your books, by looking at my videos, you can be like, okay, I forgot how the teacher did it in school, okay, and the examples in the book I'm not able to follow. I've forgotten certain steps. So when you watch my video, you'll be like, okay, he's explained the concept, you know. Now, now if I look at the other examples in the book, now I'll find it easier to understand the concepts. So basically, guys, my job is to just make it easier for you to understand the examples in the book. It's not a replacement from the books. Okay, because your books will have more questions, even harder questions. Okay, so now I hope you've solved these two by now. So let me just solve this one for you first. I'll solve it up here. Okay, so basically, how do you solve this? Okay, so basically, guys, remember one thing, that there's a positive here, so positive x there. So when it comes to the left hand side, it becomes negative, and you get negative. It comes to the other side, okay, so it becomes negative, but the force stays the same because it's on that very side. And then, guys, you have negative 2x equals 4. So then x equals negative 4 divided by 2, so x equals negative 2. Okay, so that's the answer to that question. Okay, so now basically, guys, I'm going to give you a few more minutes, okay, a few more seconds to take all this down, and then we will solve this one together. I think it's better. I hope you tried solving this, but if you got the answer correct, if you got the answer correct, congratulations to you. If you're stuck somewhere, well, then I don't feel sorry for you, because getting stuck in math is more helpful than getting the answer right and saying, yes, I got it. Okay? So basically, if you're stuck, I'm happy. If you got to the answer, well, then I'm speechless. So congratulations to you if you got this answer correct. So I'll give you 2 more seconds, and then we'll solve this, and then we're gonna do questions which are a little bit harder, and then we'll finish for the day. Okay. And then we'll finish for the day. Okay? So basically, how do you do this, guys? So the first thing you do is ax minus cx, which equals d minus b, okay? Because plus b minus b, okay? So basically, this is what you do. Ax plus b minus b. Okay, that's what you do. Okay, but remember, you'll also have an a minus x as well. Okay, so basically, let me just show you how this will be done. So basically, this is how this is going to be done. You're going to have ax minus cx, okay, plus b equals d. And then obviously, you're going to take this to the other side. You know how to do it. But remember, guys, that when this comes to the other side, you can also do this to eliminate it from this side. Basically, that doesn't really matter. If you're new and you're learning, then this step matters. Otherwise, if you've already mastered it, then you can directly come to this step here. So now what do you do, guys? So now obviously you have to use the distributive law, and you take x common, a minus c, d minus b. Okay, so then x equals d minus b over a minus x. And guys, this is your answer. So congratulations to you. Okay? So now I think we might have to end the video here, although I wanted to do more questions with you, because now the battery is absolutely low. Okay? So why don't I give you one question? Okay? I'll just give you a few more questions, and let's see if you can solve them, and then in the next video that I make, I'll give the solutions. Minus 8x minus 5 equals negative 2. Okay? Try solving this one. 6 minus 3 plus 5. 3 minus, okay. 5. 8 minus x gives you maybe, I don't know, 9 minus x. Okay? So, why don't you guys try solving these two? Now, it can be possible while I solve these two, the battery might die, because I can see the battery of the camera is low. Okay, but don't worry, I will give you the answers to these questions in another video if this video kind of blanks out, so you don't need to worry.